How y'all doing, everyone? Welcome back to episode Life Made Easy, and thanks for clicking on this video, guys. I'm going to show you guys how you can live stream for free to YouTube. Simplest way to do it, and in my opinion, the easiest way to do this on your computer is to download OBS. This is the software I'm recording with right now. As you can see, my mic is going up and down as I speak, because I really think this is the best software when it comes to creating your live streams, having like interactive Streamlabs alerts and stuff, having the chat pop up, and this really allows you to have a lot of creativity when it comes to live streaming or recording for that matter, because it got a lot of custom settings here. I'm not going to go through literally every single thing. I'm just going to show you the basics on how you can stream to YouTube for free using this software. So the main thing you want to do is just jump right into settings right here. I want to click settings, and then you see this tab right here. It says stream. You just want to click on that. And here you're going to select YouTube/YouTube Gaming. This is going to be your service. Obviously, you can do this with Twitch, Mixer, Facebook, apparently Twitter and Periscope. But yeah, select that. And then server, do just primary YouTube and just server. It's the easiest. Here, I'm not going to show this, but this is the stream key. You're going to need this for your channel because every channel has a unique stream key for live streaming. This basically allows you to take that stream key and put it in a specific software, so it knows where to upload your live stream, because that's the way you connect your software to your actual YouTube channel to start your live stream and promote it on that certain network, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, stuff like that. You need a place to actually put it. So I'm not going to show it because obviously you guys could live stream on my account, and I do not want that, but this is where you place it, and the actual place where you get it is on screen right here. I'm just going to show you. You simply come to your live stream right here. This is where you can edit everything. I'm not going to go into like too much detail here, but you can change the thumbnail. This is mine right now. You can change the orientation here if you want, like this over here or whatever. It's a little laggy right now just because I'm recording this, but yeah, this is where your live chat pops up, tells you how many people are watching. Let me just scroll down. Tells you how many people are watching and messages per minute. You also have stream health. Obviously, I'm not live streaming, but change the category, privacy, public, unlisted, private. This is the server URL. That's where you can find your live stream. This is where you can see super chats if anyone donates to you. And this is where the stream key comes into play. You can click reveal, copy paste that. This is your personalized stream key for your YouTube channel. That's mine. I'm not going to reveal it, but copy that. Come back in to OBS and go to stream, and then just paste it right there. Obviously, for your output, this is a lot of complicated stuff, but this all has to do with your your internet speed. If you have a personalized GPU, dedicated GPU on your computer, use that as your encoder. It takes a lot of pressure off your CPU. Usually want to use constant bitrate, and your bitrate is going to vary depending on your internet. I keep mine at around 2500 just because I don't want to blow out my computer because I use a laptop to live stream. Preset, this is all going to depend on your internet speed. Obviously, I have mine on quality. If you really want to get really good detail in your live streams, just choose max quality, but I prefer more performance. Profile, you should just click high. And cycle visual tuning, that'll put some stress on your GPU, but you can turn that on. And as you can see here, settings that optimize the use of bitrate, increase perceived visual quality, especially in situations with high motion at the cost of increased GPU utilization. So basically, it's going to help with the visuals of your live stream, but it's going to take a toll on your GPU. GPU put it at 0 and max speed frames at 2. So guys, that's going to be it. I'm not going to go into any further detail when it comes to streaming to YouTube for free. That's the basics of it. Obviously, you have all your scenes and everything. That's a whole another video when it comes to OBS and how to use OBS. But that's the basics of how to live stream via OBS to your YouTube channel. This is a great software. It's free, 100% free. Just go to OBS on Google and you can download it on your computer. Any PC can really run this. It's great for video live streaming as well as video recording. You can add webcams. You can add your Elgato capture device if you want to live stream your Xbox, PS4, and Nintendo Switch, stuff like that. So guys, if you enjoyed this, if you found it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you guys want those shout outs. Thank you so much for all the recent support on my videos, guys. I have my merchandise link below if you want to go cop some nice Life Made Easy merch. And if you want to go subscribe to my second channel, Gaming Made Easy, you can also do that as well. Been posting a lot of funny reaction videos over there. It's been fun in that aspect. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope it helped you, and I'll see you guys in the next video coming soon.